That's a giant.
There you go, girl. There she goes.
Let's go! How's it going today, everyone? Creek Crawler here. It's been a minute on my channel since I uploaded a video. I kind of took a break during Thanksgiving, Christmas, the holidays. Did a lot of time hanging out with family. Didn't have a lot of time to go fish. Just super busy, but the season's right around the corner and I'm hyped up for another year here in 2024. And today's video is just going to be a little highlight of what I did last year, and it was probably one of the best years of fishing I've had in my entire life as far as quality fish and just quantity of fish. I went out and fished a ton, got a lot of awesome catches on a lot of new baits I've never even really tried before, the Trace being one of them, the big hellgrammite being another, and just going out and experimenting provided me with so much opportunity and quality fish last year. It was just unreal. And to give a little update on the kayak tournament thing that I did last year, the Buckeye Kayak Fishing Trail, I believe I finished second overall for the AOI, and I also qualified for the national championship, the Bassmaster Kayak Championship in Oklahoma here in a couple months in March. And I will be going to that, and I am going to be fishing that, and I'm super excited and blessed to have that opportunity to go out there and compete with some of the best kayak anglers in the country. So that's going to be an awesome experience. But today's video is just a little highlight reel. I also wanted to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. My goals for this season is to hit that 10,000 subscriber mark on YouTube, and we're pushing for it, and it's all thanks to everyone that watches, shares, and comments on my videos and gets that algorithm going on my channel. I truly appreciate everyone that watches. But stay tuned for the action. Let's get into my 2023 highlights. Let's go! Oh my God, I got a giant. Come here, buddy. Oh my goodness. Oh God, stop. Chill. Yes, let's go. Oh my gosh, right by my freaking kayak. That's a big one. There we go. Got another big one. Oh my God, this is a 20-incher. Oh my God, it's a 20. Oh my God. Jeez. Oh my God. Whew. All right, y'all, we almost broke the 20-inch mark, but it's a 19 3/4 inch bruiser. There he goes. Let's freaking go. Did you catch any more? What? Did you get any more?
I got one the same size.
No, you didn't. There we go. Oh my God, it's a giant. It's a freaking giant. I just caught a 20. Oh my God. Look at this freaking smallmouth. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Holy Lord. All right, we're gonna put this fish on the board, and I'm getting out of here because this is crazy.
I was getting
on the 5-inch Trace. Got a 20. Got a 20, dude. What do you think? Yeah, probably.
Oh yeah.
Close to it. It goes. Let's freaking go, dude. Dude, you would think a bass would be over here. God, got a big one. Got a freaking big one. Oh my God, it's a 5. It's a 5. It's a 5. It's a 20-incher. Come on, dude. Oh my God. We just got a freaking giant on the big hellgrammite. Oh my God. That's a freaking 5-pounder. That's over 5, dude. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all, we probably just got my PB weight-wise, but it's 19 inches. This thing is so freaking heavy. Look at its belly. Look at that. All right, let's get her back in. Freaking crush the big hellgrammite. There she goes. 4 1/4 inch helgie with the 1/4 ounce rugby jig head. There we go again. Oh, that's a good one. That's a really good one. Goodness. Holy smokes, folks. Come here. Let's freaking go. Drop my dang paddle. It's on fire today. Just caught a daggone stud. Holy. Oh my goodness, that's a freaking tank. Look how wide that thing is. Oh, there he goes. I was gonna try to get a picture of him holding him like that, but he had other plans. Oh my God! Yo! Got a big smallmouth on the draw. I don't know if that's gonna reach. Can you lift your lines up and I'll go underneath? Can you lift your line up, your lines, and I'll bring it down the wall?
No, you cannot catch it.
Oh my goodness.
You got it, brother?
Yes, thank you. Yeah. Got my first one on the draw. Heck yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
You caught a ton of fish on it, huh?
Yeah.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a big one. The hellgrammite. We just got a freaking tank. Dude, this might be a 20-incher. Look at that. That is a giant. We'll put him on the board and see how long he is. Alrighty. Got a big old river smallie, 19-incher here on the new. That is awesome on the big hellgrammite. There you go, buddy. Oh, did y'all see that? What is that? What the heck? Did I just get a big walleye or saw guy on that? Trace? Y'all, it's an absolute giant smallmouth. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, I just got a freaking monster. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at this. Look, T-bone the Trace. That was wild. I gotta measure this fish up. 19 1/4 inches. Are you kidding me? 19 1/4. It's one of the biggest Hocking River smallmouth I've ever caught in my life. All right, y'all, we're about to let this giant smallmouth go. Look at that. Just an absolute unit for the Hocking River. I just came down here for a few minutes. 19 1/4. Look at his eyes. What a beautiful fish. Ready to go, buddy? That's a freaking monster. Oh shoot, we got a giant. Oh my God, we got a giant. Well, y'all, I just got an absolute giant. 19.5 incher. Freaking unit. Holy smokes. There you go, buddy. Big girl. Woo! Oh goodness! The heck is that? A giant smallie? Yes, indeed. It is a big creek smallmouth. Oh my gosh. Just absolutely annihilated it. That's 4 smallmouth today on the swim bait, guys. 4. Another tank. Oh my goodness. Just crushed it right below the surface. All right, it's time to let this beast go. What a way to end the day. That's a 16 3/4, maybe 17. Thanks for the fight, buddy. Look at the colors on that fish. There he goes. Let's go. Whoa. Ah! Too much horsepower. If you get, oh my God. Ryan just got crushed. That's a good fish too. We just witnessed a wolf pack.
Oh, dude.
Where they at?
The big one. Running in that.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. If you bring him over here, Ryan, I can net him. Giant, dude. That's a giant. Ryan just got a giant. Beat my dude. I pedaled so hard I ripped my damn pedal drive out of my guy.
Did you see that was more than one?
Yeah, dude, there's multiples. Yeah. I'm gonna try catching one. Dude, we were just talking about that today. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, that's a big one, dude.
That's almost a 20. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, baby. Coming with the net. We'll double them up.
Dude, there's another. Dude, there's 3 of them bigger than this one. No, I'm going to lose it. He's on the rear treble.
Oh my goodness, dude, what are we doing? What are we doing?
All right, you good?
Let's go to the bank. Oh my God.
What just been? Oh my.
Your line went behind my.
Your paddle. Oh my God. What just happened? Yeah, he'd be all right. He just got to sit him straight. He's got that blue under his jaw.
Out here in this cold water.
Yeah. Check that out, y'all. Isn't that awesome? That was the craziest
That was some
set
madness.
of events, dude.
Later.
Let's roll. Let's go. There we go. Ryan. Oh shoot. Oh my goodness. Ryan's got a big one. Get him, Ryan. This will be a sick double, dude.
Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Let's go!
Let's go. That's a giant. Oh God, that's 21.
Releasing an 18 and a 20. Got mine on the Trace. Ryan got his on a spinnerbait. Oh my God, we just got another freaking giant. Holy smokes. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's another 20 plus incher. What? Y'all, I just caught my PB length largemouth. 21 inches on the button. 21 incher. Are you freaking kidding me? All right, y'all, we got my PB largemouth. Lengthwise, 21 inches. Unfreaking real. There you go, girl. There she goes. Let's go! Oh, there we go. We're hooked up. Oh my God, it's a giant. You guys, it's a freaking giant. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. No, 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 no. Chill, dude, chill. What? We just got a freaking unit, y'all, on the Trace the day after Thanksgiving. That is a freaking giant. Look at that unit. Ready to go, buddy? Here he goes. Let's go.